GA front-load washer troubleshooting. Frequently asked questions. Why is my GA front-load washer not starting? Ensure the door is closed properly. Check if the power cord is plugged in. Verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Also, confirm that the washer is not in delay start mode. How do I reset my GE front-load washer? Unplug the washer for at least 1 minute. Plug it back in. This simple reset often solves minor issues. Why is my GE washer not draining water? Check for clogs in the drain hose or pump filter. Ensure the drain hose isn't kinked or blocked. Make sure the drain pump is functioning properly. Why does my GE washer make loud noises? Loud noises can be due to unbalanced loads. Ensure the washer is level. Check for loose objects in the drum or pump. Conclusion: troubleshooting your GE front-load washer can be simple. Follow these steps. Identify the problem. Check connections and settings. Clean filters regularly. Consult the manual for error codes. Seek professional help if needed. Keep your washer in good shape. Regular maintenance ensures longevity. Save time and money. Enjoy efficient washing. Keep your laundry fresh and clean. Happy washing.